Hello everyone, Aaron here, and today I'd like to share with you a new feature that just came out on HarmonyOS PC recently, which is specifically for CodeArts IDE. It's the new plugin marketplace feature that's been released. And so today, the software was updated on the 16th, and I took a look at it today, which is the 19th. I found quite a few interesting things. First off, it added a new plugin marketplace, and inside that marketplace there is actually quite a lot of stuff to explore now. You can view the specific plugins available via this link right here. I will post it in the comments section later if any of you need it. For now, let me just open up the link to show you exactly what it looks like. It should bring up this interface here. It has a lot of plugins, for instance, the C++ project guide. This includes great features like Remote Shell, but in particular I really want to highlight this specific tool, the CodeArts Steward for Coding. This is actually the feature that I find to be the most interesting of all, mainly because it acts a little bit like that Code Genie tool that you get inside the Deveco Studio environment, meaning that it can provide code suggestions and generation. Although it certainly cannot operate exactly like Klein or other software tools such as Tray in order to perform direct code generation, it can essentially serve to assist you with some coding operations. So, for example, if we want to download this plugin inside CodeArts IDE, if we search directly within this IDE, usually you can't find it in the extensions on the right. Like if I search for dual recommended extensions, dual won't be found. So you have to go through, well, for example, CodeArts IDE dual for coding, and then you go down to the, we should probably go ahead and take a look at it. It should be in the version section, I recall. Just find the latest version here, then go ahead and download it. As for the download, it comes as a file which is in the CRS format. Then you can go through and use the folder icon right here. Click the little folder icon to enter. Then go and install this CodeArts IDE CodeArts Dual. Once it is completely installed, you will see the CodeArts Coding Assistant there on the left. For instance, it actually supports continuous code generation here. Say you are right here, like in the package JSON file, and you want to go and add a dependency, but you don't know what to add. You can press Alt+C, and it will bring up some common ones, for instance Axios and then Bluebird and such. Then pressing Tab should trigger smart completion, right? And on the left side, if you encounter any sort of coding issues, you can click this hash symbol. Then select the corresponding file or folder to perform a search. After searching, it will go ahead and offer guidance based on the specific context that you provided. Although it can't generate entire code blocks directly like web coding does, I think this still counts as a small step forward. Of course, I also went ahead and tried out tools like Klein or other VS-style extensions, including various VSIX files. I actually went ahead and installed and tested various VSCode plugins in the VSIX format, including both Tongilingma and Klein. I installed them specifically just to see if they would actually manage to work. We can take a quick look right here. It is able to identify them but gets stuck loading forever. It just cannot load properly. And then if you press on the plus sign, the error Klein plus button click not found means it is not adapted yet. Any interested devs could try to work on fixing this adaptation. I personally think it should be a really great opportunity for someone. Right, and then of course, feel free to try other plugins in the marketplace if you are interested. If you want to develop your own plugins, you can use the Plugin Project Wizard to assist with that, to do your own development. I really hope the experts can adapt things like Klein, so that us web coders can get the chance to use it a bit more as well. Yeah, so that is basically a quick intro to the latest beta feature in CodeArts IDE. So that's it. See you next time. Bye-bye.